Applying window tint on your vehicle may or may not make your vehicle cooler on the inside. It really depends on what type of film you choose. We basically offer two different types of film here. We have a carbon film and we have a ceramic film. The carbon film is more over like a privacy type tint. That is the most common type of film you see around, but it is mainly meant for privacy and UV protection. It doesn't actually offer any heat rejection at all. The other type of film that we have is called ceramic film. Now, the difference between ceramic and carbon, ceramic actually does have ceramic particles built into the film that block out the infrared energy coming through, which actually reduces that thermal energy, makes the vehicle cooler on the inside, and especially reduce it by roughly about 60%. So if you do choose to go with the ceramic film, that is the one that will keep your vehicle cooler on the inside. It is a little bit more expensive for that film. The film actually, the product itself is a good bit more than what the carbon film is, but that is the one that blocks out the heat. So it really depends on which type of film you choose as if your vehicle will be cooler or not.